I'm Shruti Rajagopalan and I will be an international student from India and I'm applying for Masters in Broadcast Journalism. The city I live in is called as Chennai. It is in the southern part of the country and the capital of the state, Tamil Nadu. The city is a multicultural and a cosmopolitan city. There are quite a lot of things that's famous in the city. Primarily the Marina Beach. This is the photograph of the Marina Beach. This beach is about 13 kilometers long and it is one of the major tourist attractions in the city. The other thing that's quite famous in the city are the temples. These temples are quite old and well maintained. One such temple which is in the heart of the city is called as Kabaleshwar Temple and it is about 700 years old. This is the photograph of the Kabaleshwar Temple. Something people should never miss in Chennai is the food. The idli and dosa are yum when they are served hot. And it's like a habit for majority of people in Chennai to have a cup of coffee after every meal. And this cup of coffee is served in this traditional pattern. Our life is too short to learn from our own mistakes. And we should start learning from others too. Well, that note was told to me by Mr. M.V. Kamath. Mr. M.V. Kamath is the Honorary Director of Manipal Institute of Communication where I did my Masters in Communication. He's a 90-year-old man and also the only living journalist who covered India's freedom movement. He's also the winner of India's prestigious award, Padma Bhushan. This is Mr. M.V. Kamath. Apart from the journalism practices, that's something that really surprises me about M.V. Kamath is his enthusiasm, energy and excitement towards every activity he takes up even today. My association with him has developed me in both professional and personal skills. He is the man who inspired me to take journalism as my profession. He has inspired me till now and will inspire me all throughout my life. After completing my course in journalism, I want to come back to India and translate my learnings into practice. In India, journalists have a special power in bringing up any issues. I will make sure I use that power and bring the cause of the downtrodden and the poor society and work for their development. I will also eradicate the odds and ills of the society. I promise to be an accomplished journalist setting high standards in the field with uncompromising values.